Okay, fam. First call of the day. We got a toilet issue. If your toilet does not stop burning like this, there are two things: the fill valve or the gasket. I'm gonna show you how to repair it right now. Shouldn't be running like that constantly, just wasting water. As you can see here, we replaced the fill valve, brand new. But as you can see, all this black residue, it's coming from the gasket. It's all getting corroded. So water seeping through, causing it to trickle, but you can't see it right now because there's no water. But water seeping through somewhere right there along the gasket, so we're gonna have to replace that. Okay, this one's a little different than your standard toilets. It's a triangle one. So they have these inserts on these edges right here. It goes in a specific way. It goes in, and you have to twist to lock it in, okay? So don't pull this bitch out don't pull this out because, you're gonna break it. You don't wanna break this part. This part really really hard to come by. So you just put it in there, and then you twist to lock it in. So that's the rubber gasket that was on there. As you can see, it's all beat up. This has just been breaking apart, deteriorating. So hopefully we can replace that right now. Okay, new rubber seal on. So we're gonna insert it, twist, hopefully it locks in. And that should solve all our issue and mysteries right there. So let's go ahead and test it out. Filling up. Cleaned up most of the debris already. Remember, the heavy stuff sinks to the bottom, so let's let this thing fill. What I was doing before was running constantly, just the way it is now. See how it's running constantly? That's what I was doing before. So you just want nice, steady water sitting there. Looks like it's holding. Water levels at its level. Usually there'll be a line, right about here where to fill the water line. And then this is the adjustment screw, to raise or lower your float, which cuts off the water supplying the fill valve, basically. So right here is the line. So you want to make sure your water level is about that line. If not, it's just going to overflow into the toilet. And plus, you want to make sure you have some kind of flush. As you can see, no more trickle. Everything's okay. You got just a little bit of debris right there, but it's okay. It's a little piece of toilet. Right there. A little debris. But like I said, there is no more. A trickle means no more wasting water. And yeah, and that's how you fix a gasket seal on the toilet. Standard or not, I'll go ahead and post this on my TikTok. All right. Lesson 1, plumbing. Stay tuned for the next episode.